Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2003 Nissan Navara, stock number 6400. This ran from the 12th 2001 to the 12th 2006. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. Left front headlight, front snorkel, front bonnet no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front guard one dent, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifters, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,